In this lesson, we're going to learn Kibun Hyung number 2. So that means beginner pattern number 2. So this is going to be a tutorial video going through the pattern move by move, step by step. And then the next lesson, you're going to just see the full pattern at the regular speed. So here, this is for learning the pattern for the first time. So from ready stance. So here, feet shoulder width apart, ready stance, first movement in the pattern. Step back, left forearm inward strike block. We're going to be in walking stance for the entire pattern. Stepping forward, knife hand outward front strike. And all the knife hand strikes are neck level in this pattern. Now from here, pivoting, left outward forearm side block. Stepping forward, knife hand inward front strike with the right hand. Pivoting, outward forearm side block. Knife hand inward front strike. Outward forearm side block. Knife hand inward front strike. Outward forearm side block. Now you've made one complete rotation. From here, stepping forward, right forearm inward strike block. Okay? Now from here, left knife hand outward front strike. Pivoting. So from here, right outward forearm side block. Stepping forward, left knife hand inward front strike. Outward forearm side block. Knife hand inward front strike. Outward forearm side block. Knife hand inward front strike. So you're probably picking up the pattern within the pattern at this point. Outward forearm side block. Now we've made one complete rotation once again. So one rotation one direction, one rotation the other direction. Now at this point here, punch. So middle punch, reverse middle punch. Stepping back, forearm inward strike block with the left, and now right middle punch and left high punch performed quickly. So as a combination. So from here, just like that, as fast as you can. So block, and then 1, 2, just like this. And at the finish of the pattern, always remember every pattern ends with a key up. And a key up is not a spoken word. A key up is a yell. It is a basic shout. That's it. So from here, and then come on. And breath control. So every pattern starts and ends from ready stance. Ready stance is always a breathing control exercise. It helps you get your breathing ready before you do the pattern, and it helps you recover your breathing after you finish the pattern. And every pattern ends with a key up. There are also sometimes key ups within the pattern at various points, but there is always a key up at the end of the pattern. So that is Kibun Hyung number 2.